Well, in my last video I told that spring has come, but maybe I was too early to say that. Last weekend there was almost kind of like a snowstorm. It snowed really a lot. Last week I was outside, but I couldn't record anything. It was snowing a lot. So this weekend, well, it's overcast, not snowing. It's a little bit warmer. Maybe can say spring is coming now, but yeah, it's a bit boring nowadays. It's so wet and sometimes it's so difficult to walk in the forest. But yeah, well, it became really too much winter now. I hope soon it will be warmer and snow will melt totally. But yeah, let's see. In this summer, if summer comes, and then I will try to focus on increase my lifer. Now it's like 75. It means that I photographed 75 different species of birds, so I will try to increase it. For example, I couldn't photograph really some common birds or some easy ones like cold-tit, and it's not so easy, but I will try to find also dipper, white-throated dipper, maybe if I can find kingfisher. So this kind of small birds I will try to focus. And yeah, of course, if I can see some new birds of prey, I will try to record also. Yeah, but mostly I will try to reach to 100 lifer, but yeah, I don't think it's possible in next 1 year, but we will see. Yep, now I'm in nearby a small lake where I had never been for maybe 3 years, like 2-3 years ago. I was here last time. I came here because I thought this is quite small lake, so I thought it will not be frozen more, so I can see some swans and ducks, but it seems no, it's still kind of frozen. But let's see, I will have a walk more and I will visit 2 different locations shortly before it gets dark. Yeah, we will see. Came one location to see dipper, and there's so much water in the river. I couldn't see dipper, but I saw from so far that there are a lot of swans on the field. Yeah, I see now 4, 8, about 10. Now I have to get close without scaring them. And there's really nice sunlight at the moment, so I will try to get close and record them a little bit. Oops, somewhere. I don't know if it's possible to show from here. Somewhere there. sunlight. The sunlight really changed everything. The scene, the colors, nature. It really changed everything now. The view in front of me is amazing now. There's a like red color house in the background, really far, and there are some branches in front of me, and the swans on the field.